What's happening, guys? It's Jeremy and I'm back getting ready to cook another meal for the family tonight. Tonight we're just using the air fryer part on our Blackstone. You know, you might be wondering, should I spend the extra money to get that air fryer component or not? And I'm gonna have to say with a resounding yes, get it. It's worth the extra money. Now we don't have an air fryer inside, so we only have the one out here, but I gotta tell you, it makes food amazing. So tonight what we're gonna be making, we're gonna be cooking up some curly seasoned fries. These are just Food Lion brand, nothing special. We're gonna be then throwing some popcorn shrimp in as well. And for the hero of tonight's meal, these right here, these beer battered cod fillets. Haven't tried these yet, but I'm really excited to see how these get in the air fryer. You know, when we make them inside all the time, they get kind of mushy and not crispy. I'm hoping that by air frying these bad boys, we're gonna get a nice crispy skin on them tonight. So let's get this thing fired up. All right, so first thing we gotta do is get this thing fired up. So we're gonna start turning on the gas. And then for the air fryer, it has its own separate switch. All three of these components we're cooking tonight, all of them at 425. So we're gonna turn this on, and it gives you a little gauge over here. And the gauge says we want high for 425. So we're gonna turn this on to high, light it up. There it goes. And then we're gonna turn on the fan as well. We're gonna let this get nice and hot, and then we'll be back to cook some excellent food here in just a few minutes. All right, so we've given the air fryer about 5 to 10 minutes here to just kind of come up to temperature and warm up. So we're gonna get things started. So we're gonna pull out our first tray here. We're gonna use the top of the Blackstone right here to be our little table for cooking on. Just open these bad boys up. Now, these are beer battered, so they're delicious. If you've never tried them, these are from Sam's Club. Definitely go by there, get you a pack, try them out. I like this little feature here on the air fryer Blackstone that has this magnetic bar. I can hang my tongs there when I'm doing meals like this, or my scissors, or a knife, or spatulas, whatever, and they stay out of the way, so it's kind of nice. But what I'm gonna do is just take a couple of these fillets, load them up in here. And like I said, these are cod fillets. So it's cod fish. And as you may not know, I have a family of 5, so we end up having to cook a lot of food around here to feed this family, especially with a boy who's getting to be rather large. Alright, so we're going to just stick these down in there. So one of the things I have found is we want to try to keep these on a single layer. So I put about, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 7 fish fillets in here. That'll be a good start for us. And we're just going to spray them a little bit with a little bit of just cooking oil. So we got the fish fillets in the first basket. We're next going to take these curly fries. I just cut the bag open. Whole thing's right in here. I like the fact that this air fryer has large baskets. It allows you to do a lot of food. When you have a big family like me, you can do it all at once. I'm going to give just a little spray of cooking sauce. And let's get these going next to it. Now, these are going to take about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the shrimp into that basket and get it all cooked. It takes about 20 minutes, it says, for everything to cook. So let's see how it does. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. All right, we'll be back in 10 minutes and see how it's doing. All right, so I just got the timer just buzzed to let me know it's time to check them. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, these are looking good. Good in the neighborhood. Now, because I have a family of 5, I had to do a little more than what I could put in a single layer here. So we're gonna just try to gently move these around a little bit. Flip them. These fish fillets are starting to look mighty fine. And I gotta say, I think the crispiness is gonna be off the chain with these. So let's just do that. Stick those in. Pull out our fries here. fries are looking pretty good as well. It says to do 425. We're gonna turn this down just a hair. I think it's more towards high medium, just to keep it from burning while we're cooking. But we've now got our fries going well here. And we're gonna take our shrimp next. We're just gonna put them right over top of the fries. Why not, right? All right, so we got this. Let's give these a little spray of cooking spray. Get those back in there. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. All right, we're gonna check it again in 8 minutes and see how we're doing. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes since I put the shrimp in with the fries. Because there's so much in that basket, I think I need to stir it in between. So let's go ahead and do that. Wow, there's a lot in this basket. They're already thawed. 3 minutes in. And actually, they're pretty hot already. So they're gonna be done in no time. All right, so we're getting about 15 to 16 minutes on the fish fillets, and I'm gonna say done. They're crispy. They look beautiful golden brown. So what I'm gonna actually do, since I have so many fries and so much shrimp, I'm gonna move this over to the warming section just to keep it nice and hot. And then I'm gonna spread out those fries and shrimp into 2 baskets. So I have this third one empty. This is gonna help speed things along here. Get, I think, a lot better. So let's go ahead and just move a good chunk of this over. All spread out now. Back in. All right, so my timer just went off, so everything should be done. Let's check it out. So let's see. All right, so we've got in here curly fries and the shrimp, and they're looking delicious. Let's test one out here. Fries have an awesome crisp to them. Like I said, these are just non-name brand. These are generic ones, but they taste just like the ones you'd get at a restaurant. Yep. All right, so next we're gonna try one of the shrimp and see how those are doing. They're crispy, good flavor. They taste just like they'd be deep fried, but they're not. They're healthier, they're air fried. All right, and then the star of the show obviously are these beer battered cod fillets. Look how beautiful that is, crispy, brown. We're gonna sit that right here on my plate. Gonna be good eating tonight, I can tell you that. We'll try those in a minute. So let me get my plate together and then we'll be right back. All right, so let's try these cod fillets and see how they taste. Good crisp on the skin. You can see how nicely brown they are. They got nice and crispy. Let's taste it. That's really good. Only thing that'll make it a little better, maybe put a little bit of lemon juice over the top of it, and would be a delicious treat. So guys, can you use your air fryer and make some good food? Most definitely. Make sure if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up like always. Hit that bell so you get notified when new ones come out, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.